Alright, taking out the Phat Boy with the 460. With the 460, GP 460, Chung Yang, and it's piped. Pocket bag pipe. We're gonna give it a little roll with the low stall clutch springs. Let's see, are we on? Alright, we're on. Let's get this going. Take you guys with me on a little ride. At the park. Now, I don't know what the gearing is. This is like kind of like a bladeZ. Take it easy. It wants to stand up on one wheel. Yeah, it definitely runs pretty damn good. I don't know how fast, but the gearing isn't too tall, so pretty light, I'd say. Maybe 35, 40 with the gearing it has. I don't know, fellas, but it sounds like it rips to me. If ripping made a sound, I think that'd be the one. Just listen to it. And it's quiet enough to cruise. You see that? Anywho, there she is. It rips. Peace out.